Good morning, everyone. This is Annabelle Bitapalya, a Master Teacher 1. Welcome to the review and evaluation of the second quarter accomplishments. Today, I'm going to share with you the timeline of my accomplishment as a grade level consultant in grade 6. Last January 8, 2021, I conducted the first virtual meeting with the grade 6 teachers in preparation for the distribution of cards for the first quarter. Here we discussed about the issuance of report cards, first quarter assessment tool, e-class record, and homeroom guidance observation. We also discussed other matters like IDLAR, WWP, WHLP, and MELT mapping. And on January 12, 2021, there was a follow-up virtual meeting to give way for the DepEd Order 31 Series of 2020, also known as the Interim Guidelines for Assessment and Grading, in light of the Basic Education Learning Continuity Plan, along with other matters like homeroom assessment tool, submission of class records and grading sheets, and preparations of e-cards. Last January 25, 2021, I observed the English class of Mr. Brian C. Asuncion as scheduled. His lesson was about purpose, case structure, and language features of cause and effect relationship. And on January 29, 2021, I conducted and facilitated LAC session with the grade 6 teachers about DepEd Order number 35 Series 2016, known as the Learning Action Cell as a K-12 Basic Education Program, School-Based Continuing Professional Development Strategy for the improvement of teaching and learning. And last February 8, 2021, a back-to-back observation in the EPP class of Mrs. Mena Joy V. Filomena about food preservation, and the AP class of Mrs. Maria Clara A. Minyao with her lesson about ang pamamahala ng mga Hapones sa Pilipinas. On that same date, February 8, 2021, I conducted and facilitated LAC session with my team on LDM Course 2, Module 2. The development of the MELCs was discussed, and how this could be unpacked and combined in planning and designing lessons. And on February 10, 2021, another LAC session with the grade 6 teachers about school-based orientation of the guidelines on the implementation of the RPMS for school year 2020-2021. February 15, 2021, I observed the science class of Mrs. Maribel C. Benitez as scheduled. Her lesson was about the functions of the circulatory system. And February 16, I conducted and facilitated LAC session on LDM Course 2, Module 3A. This is about designing instruction in the different learning delivery modalities. In February 17, 2021, I conducted and facilitated LAC session on LDM Course 2, Module 3B. This is about learning resources. In February 18, 2021, I also conducted another LAC session and facilitated on Module 4. It's about planning for continuing professional development and LAC planning. Okay, February 19, 2021, I monitor the activity on dental health education, the grade 6 classes. And February 19, 2021, I conducted and facilitated the last LAC session on LDM Course 2, which is Module 5. This is about building the teaching portfolio related to the implementation of the modalities. And February 22, 2021, finally, the LDM Course 2, which is the required outputs of Team B, were submitted. And last February 22, 2021, another back-to-back observation in the MAPI class of Mrs. Daisy A. Viray and the math class of Mrs. Rosita Emiacas with her lesson Basic Operation on Integers. And on February 23, 2021, I conducted post-conference with Mr. Brian C. Asuncion and Mrs. Rosita M. Yacas. And the following day, 24 of February 2021, I conducted post-conference with Mrs. Maria Clara Eminiao and Mrs. Maribel C. Benitez. And last February 25, 2021, I conducted post-conference with Mrs. Daisy Ibiray and Mrs. Mena Joy V. Filomena. And from March 8 to 12, 2021, it is a whole week of monitoring in the conduct of the intervention and remediation for the grade 6 pupils, especially those who are at risk. And that ends my accomplishment report. Thank you and God bless everyone.